Imagine if soaking just one simple ingredient overnight could dramatically improve your circulation, strengthen your nerves, and make joint pain vanish like magic. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what I'm about to share with you today is backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. Today, I'm revealing a powerful natural remedy that improves blood circulation, strengthens your nervous system, and relieves all types of joint and muscle pain. And here's the best part. Everything you need is already sitting in your kitchen. Why your nerves are failing you. Most of us are experiencing similar symptoms without understanding the root cause. Some people have constant swelling and burning in their hands and feet. Others feel tingling sensations in their legs at night. Many have joints so stiff that getting out of bed in the morning feels like a monumental task. And it doesn't stop there. Fatigue, weakness, occasional dizziness, and declining memory. These are all warning signs that your nerves are weakening and blockages are forming in your circulatory system. But here's the good news. You can naturally clear these blockages and strengthen your nerves without expensive medications or harmful side effects. Let me explain how. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen, especially if you have existing medical conditions or take medications. The 6 root causes of nerve damage. Before we get to the remedy, you need to understand why nerve weakness and blockages occur in the first place. There are 6 primary causes. 1. Diabetes. When blood sugar remains elevated, your nerves gradually weaken, a condition called diabetic neuropathy. High glucose levels literally damage the protective coating around your nerves. 2. High blood pressure. Chronic hypertension damages the tiny blood vessels that supply oxygen to your nerves, causing them to deteriorate over time. 3. High cholesterol and fat accumulation. Excess cholesterol creates plaque in your blood vessels, restricting blood flow and oxygen delivery to nerve tissues. 4. Chronic inflammation. Infections and inflammatory conditions create an internal environment that's toxic to nerve health. 5. Hormonal imbalances. Your endocrine system directly impacts nerve function. When hormones are out of balance, nerve signals become disrupted. And 6. Kidney and liver toxicity. When these organs can't properly filter waste, toxins accumulate and poison your nervous system. All of these factors combine to create nerve weakness, resulting in pain, fatigue, and overall physical decline. But there's a solution hiding in your kitchen right now. The 3-ingredient nerve revival formula. This remedy requires just 3 simple spices that work synergistically to heal your nervous system from the inside out. Here's exactly how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 cup of filtered water, 1 small cinnamon stick about 2 inches, 1 black cardamom pod, 2 whole cloves. Preparation method. Step 1. Pour 1 cup of water into a stainless steel pot and place it on medium-high heat. Step 2. Once the water begins to boil, add the cinnamon stick first. Cinnamon is the foundation of this remedy. It regulates blood sugar and begins melting away arterial plaque. Step 3. Add 1 black cardamom pod. Crack it slightly with the back of a spoon to release its powerful compounds. Step 4. Crush 2 whole cloves and add them to the boiling water. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that specifically targets nerve pain. Step 5. Allow all 3 ingredients to boil together for 2 to 3 minutes. This extraction time is crucial. It allows the medicinal compounds to fully infuse into the water. Step 6. Turn off the heat and let the mixture cool to a comfortable drinking temperature. Optional, if you prefer a slightly sweet taste, you can add a small piece of jaggery or a teaspoon of raw honey once the liquid has cooled. However, if you have diabetes, skip this step entirely.
When and how to take it. The optimal time to consume this remedy is 30 minutes after dinner, right before bed. This timing allows the active compounds to work while your body is in its natural repair mode during sleep. Drink 1 full glass daily for 14 to 15 days consistently. You'll notice improvements in energy levels, joint pain relief, and better circulation within the first 2 weeks. The secret booster step: triple your results. Now let me share the game-changing booster step that can multiply the effectiveness of this remedy by 3 or 4 times. Within 15 minutes of drinking this tonic, chew and consume 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Why does this work so powerfully? Fennel seeds dramatically enhance digestion and help transport the medicinal properties of the 3 spices deeper into your tissues. They also contain anethol, a compound that further reduces inflammation and improves nutrient absorption. If you follow this complete routine consistently for 1 month, you'll experience not just relief from nerve blockages, but also significant reduction in hand and foot pain, decreased fatigue, and improved overall vitality. The science behind this powerful formula. You might be wondering what makes this simple recipe so effective. Let me break down the science. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde and powerful antioxidants that regulate blood sugar levels and help dissolve fat deposits in your blood vessels. Research shows cinnamon can reduce fasting blood glucose by up to 29% and improve insulin sensitivity. Black cardamom delivers potassium and magnesium, minerals that naturally balance blood pressure and strengthen heart rhythm. Studies indicate that cardamom can lower systolic blood pressure by 10 to 12 points. Cloves contain eugenol, a remarkable compound that simultaneously reduces both inflammation and pain. Eugenol has been shown to be as effective as ibuprofen for certain types of pain without the stomach damage. Bonus foods for nerve health. To maximize your results, add these 2 superfoods to your daily diet. Flaxseeds, ground. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds strengthen nerve membranes and reduce joint inflammation. Grind them fresh and add 1 tablespoon to milk, yogurt, or water each morning. Research shows omega-3s can reduce nerve pain by up to 40%. Chia seeds. Packed with iron, potassium, and antioxidants, chia seeds combat fatigue, relax nerves, and strengthen immunity. Soak 2 tablespoons in water overnight and consume them in the morning. 1 serving provides 20% of your daily magnesium needs, critical for nerve function. You can use both of these together or individually along with the nighttime tonic for even faster results. Important considerations. While this remedy is natural and generally safe, keep these points in mind. If you're on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before starting, as cinnamon has mild blood-thinning properties. Pregnant or nursing women should seek medical advice first. If you experience any allergic reactions, discontinue use immediately. This remedy complements medical treatment but doesn't replace it for serious conditions. Nerve damage and joint pain don't have to be your permanent reality. This simple 3-ingredient remedy, combined with the fennel seed booster and superfood additions, can transform your quality of life naturally and affordably. Try this remedy consistently for 30 days and experience the difference for yourself. Then come back and share your results in the comments. I genuinely want to hear your success story. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who's suffering from chronic pain or nerve issues. Subscribe to Health Morph for more evidence-based natural health solutions. Until next time, take care of your health, stay positive, and remember, your body has an incredible capacity to heal when you give it the right tools.